Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called What Are the Most Common Challenges in Whole Home Remodels? All right, folks, sit tight because today we're peeling back the layers of those massive home overhauls. Like an onion, they often make you tear up but reveal something delicious once done. Whole home remodels come with their set of unique hurdles, and forewarned is forearmed. So let's tiptoe through the minefield and explore the common challenges while keeping our sanity intact. First on our list is budget overruns. Picture this: your perfectly planned budget slowly bloating like a marshmallow in a campfire. Yikes! This can happen thanks to unforeseen structural issues, sneaky material upgrades, or sometimes just the lure of shiny new trends. My advice? Include a 10 to 15% buffer, treating it like a savings account for unexpected rain showers. It's like carrying extra sunscreen, better safe than sorry when things heat up. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Efficient communication with your contractors is crucial. You don't want to play telephone with your remodeling dreams, only to discover someone accidentally installed disco balls instead of pantry lights. Emphasize clear communication and set up regular check-ins, like getting your car serviced but less oily. Now, onto design dilemmas. With so many choices bombarding you like an avalanche at a ski resort, finding clarity feels tougher than choosing cereal on an empty stomach. A coherent design plan driven by expert advice keeps you focused and ensures each room sings in harmony, not cacophony. Trust me, you want unity in design, not an identity crisis. Time delays are another common tripwire. Suppliers can falter, permits take longer than expected, and sometimes the weather simply doesn't play ball. It's like trying to bake a cake with a temperamental oven. You need patience paired with a plan. Set realistic timelines and be willing to adapt. As in life, flexibility is a key asset during remodeling. Lastly, temporary living arrangements. Your whole house is in transition and things get messy. It's part of the dance, like learning to tango without stepping on toes. Find respite in well-defined living spaces. Maintain positivity, and remember, for every day without a fully functioning kitchen, there's a takeout waiting to become your best friend. These common challenges need not derail your remodeling dreams. With careful planning, constant communication, and methodical flexibility, you'll emerge victorious, ready to show off a stunning house that exudes the charm and functionality only a successful remodel can bring. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.